Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Just want to share something with you. May come back and do a little bit more about this, but I just want to touch on it real quick for now. Maybe about a week ago, or at least 7 to 10 days ago, saw a clip on Facebook and some other social media, and the question was to the ladies, who was more important to them? And it was their son, their father, or their husband. And all of the people that all the ladies that they had interviewed, almost all of them said son first, followed by father, and husband last. And, that really kind of pricked my spirit. And it just goes to show you how we are missing out on the biblical principles and what God has established. I'm going to read to you Genesis chapter 2, verse 24, and it reads, "This is why a man leaves his father and mother and is joined to his wife. In this way, two become one." And what you could easily see is most, if not all, of the ladies that were interviewed, by them saying son first, father, and then husband last, miss the picture or the understanding that when they come together with their husband, they are now one. So what they really are saying is that they're putting their son before themselves, their father before themselves, because the husband and you are one. And there's so many biblical principles that they could learn why the husband comes first. God has put us together. If you understand, your son, you don't have a covenant with, and your father, you don't have a covenant with. But you do have a godly covenant with your husband. It's just interesting because you got two people who are separate. They come from a different family structure, come together to become one. They are now that one entity. So, son shouldn't be first. Father shouldn't be first. Father shouldn't be second. Son shouldn't be second. Or possibly second, but definitely not first. Your husband is supposed to be first. That is the biblical principle. May come back, examine some more scriptures about this son, father, husband relationship with the young ladies and or ladies in general. I hope that this has helped. Take care. It definitely caught my eye. But you examine it for yourself. Tell me what you think, and we can go from there. Take care. God bless. Much love.